excellent foods to cleanse and repair your kidney. We will explore the top foods for promoting liver health. Under normal circumstances, the liver efficiently eliminates toxins, chemicals, and poisons, unless there is a condition such as fatty liver. The liver is a crucial organ in the human body, playing a vital role in eliminating waste, regulating fluid balance, and filtering minerals and harmful substances from the blood. Achieving optimal detoxification of the liver can be accomplished through dietary means. The liver is a multifunctional organ with numerous vital roles in maintaining overall health. We are going to examine three important areas: the vital functions of the liver, various symptoms of damaged liver, and best foods for the liver. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you. Some of the vital functions of the liver. A. Regulation of cholesterol levels. The liver plays a role in regulating cholesterol levels by producing and removing cholesterol from the blood. B. Detoxification. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the blood by removing toxins, drugs, and other harmful substances. C. Metabolism. The liver plays a central role in metabolism by regulating the conversion of nutrients from the food we eat into energy. D. Bile production. The liver produces bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats in the small intestine. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine when needed for digestion. E. Storage of nutrients. The liver stores and releases glucose as needed to maintain blood sugar levels. It also stores essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, and iron. F. Synthesis of proteins. The liver synthesizes various proteins, including albumin, which helps maintain blood volume and pressure, and globulins, which are essential for immune function. Liver damage can manifest in various ways, and the symptoms can range from mild to severe. It's important to note that liver diseases often progress without noticeable symptoms in the early stages. If you suspect liver damage, it's crucial to consult a medical professional for a proper diagnosis. Various symptoms of damaged liver. Abdominal pain. Pain or discomfort in the upper right side of the abdomen, where the liver is located. Jaundice. Yellowing of the skin and eyes due to an accumulation of bilirubin. Fatigue. Persistent fatigue and weakness, which may be a result of the liver's reduced ability to process and store nutrients. Itching. Pruritus, or severe itching, can occur due to the accumulation of bile salts in the skin. Nausea and vomiting. Persistent nausea and vomiting may occur as a result of impaired liver function. Enlarged liver. An enlarged liver, hepatomegaly, may be palpable during a physical examination. Changes in stool color. Colored stools may result from a lack of bile reaching the intestines. The best foods for the liver. 1. Grapes offer advantages for kidney health through various mechanisms. With their abundant water content, play a role in sustaining proper hydration. Grapes contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and resveratrol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Grapes contain potassium, a mineral that can help regulate blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for kidney health, as high blood pressure can contribute to kidney damage over time. 2. Cruciferous foods. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in nutrients and compounds that may contribute to overall well-being. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cabbage, and kale, are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins C and K, and various phytochemical. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, potentially protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress. Very high in sulforaphane, helps to detoxify the liver. 3. Cranberries are often associated with potential benefits for kidney health, particularly in the context of preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, and supporting overall urinary health. Preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which may help prevent certain bacteria, such as E. coli, from attaching to the urinary tract walls. Reducing the risk of kidney stones. Cranberries, with their high citric acid content, may contribute to an environment that discourages the formation of kidney stones. 4. Virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. It has been associated with improvements in cardiovascular health, and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is important for kidney health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a factor that can contribute to kidney damage, so including anti-inflammatory foods in your diet may be beneficial. Some studies suggest that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil may have a positive effect on blood pressure regulation. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly those found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have a modest blood pressure lowering effect. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to support heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 6. Stay hydrated. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, forming urine that is eventually excreted from the body. The kidneys filter waste products and toxins from the blood, which are then eliminated from the body through urine. Sufficient water intake ensures that there is enough fluid to carry these waste products out of the body. Dehydration can lead to the concentration of minerals and salts in the urine, increasing the risk of kidney stone formation. 7. Garlic and onion. Both onions and garlic contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage, so including anti-inflammatory foods in your diet may be beneficial. Onions and garlic have been associated with cardiovascular benefits, including the potential to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you.